So what's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to add a music bot on your Discord server. And as an example, I'm gonna use a written bot. If you know, that is the most famous music bot in Discord. So here is how. First, open your browser and search in Google rhythm bot. Yeah, open the first link, and from here click add to Discord. Choose your server, continue, authorize. I'm a human, of course, I'm not a robot. And as you can see, our written bot, our music bot is here. But how to use it? First, join some channel like me, and then as you can see, its prefix is this symbol. So yeah, type the symbol and now say play, and let's choose some random song. Let's say Thomas the Train Tank engine theme. Now copy the URL and put it here. And as you can see, it's working. Now we can vibe. No, just kidding. And that's all. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like. And if you have some problems, if you have some questions, comment down below the video in the comments and I will try to respond. And yeah, see you next video. Bye.